Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. Then we will see how to add the extensions. First we will download and we will install. So go to official website, it is code.visualstudio.com. Hit enter. Click on download for Windows or just click on download. See here we have different options. .zip, CLI, system, user installer, system. Okay, just click on this Windows. See, wait a moment. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is about 119 megabytes. Wait until download completes. And see here, the version of the VS Code is 1.107. See, download is completed. Just click on the exe file. License agreement. Just select this reader button. I accept the agreement. Then click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Okay, I'm okay with this location. Click on next. See, this is the start menu folder name. If you want some other, you can remove it and you can give whatever the name that you want. Then click on next. Additional icons, select all. Then click on next. See, these are the features or the options that we have selected. Okay, if you want to modify any one of them, then click on back and you can edit. It is up to you. Ready to install, click on install. See, you have successfully installed. If you want to launch Visual Studio Code, you have to keep the checkbox. Otherwise, unselect it and click on finish. It is up to you. Click on finish. Let me maximize it. See, you got the Visual Studio Code. The other way to open Visual Studio Code is Windows Run, just code and hit enter. See, you got the same. So you got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Or go to command prompt, that is CMD. Then just type code and hit enter. See, you got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now, if you want to add extensions, see here we have the extensions. Click on it. Then you can search whatever the extensions that you want to install, like Python. See here we have a number of the Python extensions. Whatever you want, you need to click on this install. See here we have the option to install. Okay, this is the way. This is the version at the time of making this video. If you want to create new file, click on new file or go to file and select new text file or new file. So in this video we have seen how to install VS Code latest version on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.